In this first lesson of chapter 3 of the course of basic geometry are present several definitions of triangles and the different types of triangles. Between the topics are presented the definitions and types of triangles, definition, properties and construction of triangles. In this first slide of this first class of chapter 3 of this course of basic geometry, it is presented in figure 3.1 a triangle formed by three line segments that connect three non-collinear points. The three non-collinear points are called the vertices of the triangle. The line segments AB, BC and AC are called the sides of the triangle. The angles ACB, ABC and BAC are the angles corresponding to the vertices C, B and A of the triangle. Therefore, the triangle has three sides corresponding to the three line segments, three vertices corresponding to three non-collinear points, and three angles corresponding to each of the vertices. In this second slide of this first class of chapter 3 is defined the concept of perimeter of a triangle. The perimeter of a triangle is the sum of the dimensions of the three sides, composed of line segments AB, BC and AC. The second part of the slide defines the equilateral triangle. Figure 3.2 shows an equilateral triangle. This type of a triangle has three sides with the same dimensions, that is, the three sides are congruent. Therefore, also the three interior angles are equal. This slide shows the construction of an equilateral triangle. To carry out the construction of an equilateral triangle is initially drawn a straight line with the dimension of side AB. Continuing the construction with center at point A and radius AB, a circumference is drawn. The same procedure is repeated for point B, with center at the point B and radius BA. It is drawn a new circumference. The point at which the two circumferences intersect is equidistant from points A and B and satisfies the condition that all three sides have the same dimensions. Thus, the point at which the circumference intersect is the point C, is the third vertex. The equilateral triangle is composed of segments of lines AB, BC, AC. In the second half of this slide, it is presented the definition of isosceles triangle. Figure 3.4 shows a triangle of a isosceles type. A triangle is said to be isosceles when it has two sides that are equal and also has two equal angles. The sides composed by the line segment BC and AC are equal, and the angles that these same line segments form with the line segment AB, which is the base of the isosceles triangle, are also equal. Therefore, the CAB and CBA angles are the same. This slide shows the scalene triangle definition. Figure 3.5 shows a triangle scalene type. A triangle is said to be the scalene type when the three sides have different dimensions. Consequently, the three interior angles also do not have equal values. At the second half of this slide, it shows the definition of the triangles when the references are the angles of the triangles. Thus, an equilateral triangle has three equal angles, then is called equiangular triangle. If a triangle is made only acute angles, that are angles smaller than 90 degrees, then the triangle is called the acute triangle. Figure 3.6 shows a acute triangle. If a triangle has a right angle, it's called the right triangle. If a triangle has an obtuse angle, the triangle is called obtuse triangle. Figure 3.7 shows obtuse triangle. This last slide of the first class of chapter 3